All right, I wanted to review Nearpod in case anyone has not used it before. In your assignments, you'll have a link for your Nearpod. So I'm going to click on that link. It's going to prompt me to put my name. What I want you to do is put your last name, comma, and then your first name. This will allow me to be able to grade it a little bit easier and have your grades in quickly, which is what y'all, of course, want. So I'm going to then say join session. You don't have to do anything in that optional area. And I'm not going to run through the whole thing with you guys, but this is the one you'll actually do in your tutorial in your Unit 1. So we'll just click through it a little bit. You'll read over it. You can see there's some objectives. Kind of goes over general 5 main food groups. Then you'll watch videos. So when I click on here, it will say on the next slide, you'll watch. And so you can click here to play. And then you can kind of answer a couple questions and submit those questions. And you can see even after our sleep one down here, you can even draw in certain things. So what is one negative impact of sleep deprivation? So, and then at the end, you're going to submit it, and then it's submitted to me. And again, just make sure you put your last name, first name, as it is an Infinite Campus or it's learning. And that way we know what you're doing there. All right, hope this helps. Have a great day.